Hi Danielle. I just wanted to show you a little bit about how to do this assignment. I know you're having some trouble with the lookup and some other stuff on the Proctor bill. It looks like you actually added it on the LUZ hours worksheet, some of the stuff that you're supposed to add over there. So let me just show you that. I'm going to go over. Actually, if you delete this, because this wasn't supposed to be there, you can see a lot of your stuff fills in nicely. You are missing this field, or that cell, and then these cells. You're also supposed to do the same thing down here at the bottom. So you want to make sure you catch those up if you want to redo this assignment. So let's go over to the Proctor bill worksheet. Over here you actually got the Marshall hours right. You wanted to go to the Marshall hours and select K13 and K34. And it looks like you had a little trouble when you got to the Stevens and LUZ ones. These ones are exactly the same, except you go to the Stevens tab. So I hit equals here, and I'm having trouble getting to it. I'm going to have to resize this because my video recorder is blocking the tabs. So you hit equals, you go to the Stevens hours, and you select K13, and then hit plus. You got a couple extra equals there, and you hit K34, and go ahead and hit enter, and that'll fill it in. And you got there sort of with the LUZ hours. You just needed to add the K13 also. K13, and it fills in there for you. So that's how these get filled in. Now the rate, you actually you had that right, but you put it over here. No, you put it here. That's the thing I deleted. Let me go back over to the Proctor bill and just show you. For rate, you wanted to do the equals V lookup, and the lookup value is actually going to be A12. You're going to look up the name. The array is your bill rates. Now you said it was already named, so that's fine. You didn't have to name it again. You can just use bill rates here, and the column is 2. If you put that in here, it'll actually look up Marshall on the bill rates table and tell you how much their bill rate is. You can see that, and I can even copy this. Alright, so I just copy and paste here, and it'll actually do it for the Stevens and the LUZ for you. So there you get that rate. To do the bill amount, it looks like you had it right here already. You did a sum. Well, you did a sum. That not sure what you were doing with that. But what you want to do for the bill amount is you just want to do the hours times by, that's the asterisk, times by 2. Just copy and paste. I use Control C and then Control V to paste, and you get that. It's the sum of these. I have an extra parenthesis somehow. It's fine. So, and there you get your amount. So that's kind of how you fill this out. Down here, you have the payment. I thought I saw you had a payment. Yeah, right down here. You put your payment thing here. I'm just going to copy that over. I'm not sure exactly what it says in the book to put in, but it's not supposed. It's supposed to be minus 16 D16. So you put in that there, and that calculates your payment. So you had all the parts right. You just didn't have them in the right spot. So that should show you kind of how to do that and how the VLOOKUP works. And then make sure you fill in the rest of these highlighted cells on the LUZ hours too if you wanted to redo the assignment. So I hope that helps. All right.